In this video, let's take a look at pictures of these elephants and discuss the lens and camera settings that I used to click these incredible animals. I used a third generation Canon 70 to 200mm IS lens to click all these pictures. It was much easier to carry this lens rather than a bigger lens on the Canter. I set my ISO to 400, and since this was a large group of elephants, I set my aperture value to 8 for more depth of field. The shutter speed turned out to be 1/800th of a second. I discuss more about lenses for wildlife photography in my book, Wildlife Photography Explained. The link is in the description. This video isn't over yet. I have plenty more useful tips to share with you that will help improve your photography. I'd also love to hear your questions, thoughts, or observations. I make sure to read and reply to every comment. An elephant herd is like a giant family road trip, loud, messy, but full of love. Adults stride with calm authority while the little ones trot along, often stopping to explore and play. It's amazing to watch their gentle interactions, from protective mothers to curious calves testing their trunks. Together, they create a scene that's both powerful and heartwarming, reminding us of the strength found in family and unity. I clicked these pictures at the world famous Jim Corbett National Park in India, and this was at a zone called Dikala, where if you want to have jeep safaris over here, then you need to book the forest guest house deep inside the forest. But it's very difficult to get a booking over there. So if you do not have a booking, your only option is to get inside to explore the forest on a canter, which is a large bus. Now, the chances of clicking amazing pictures from a canter reduce significantly as against having your own jeep that you can maneuver according to your needs. But we got lucky over here and I got this sighting of elephants, but it was only because we listened to our guide. We had come to the end of the line of the trail and stopped for breakfast, and our guide told us that if we finish our breakfast and head back to the canter quickly, then we can go explore this side trail, which would shut within the next hour. So he said, just quickly have your breakfast and come back in 15 or 20 minutes. And if you come fast enough, I'll take you down this trail and maybe we'll see something over there. So we listened to him and got back in time. And that's the reason why we had this amazing sighting. I've always believed in engaging a good naturalist on all my wildlife tours. These people, with their experience, play a very important role in helping us to experience wildlife from so up close. You can also learn wildlife photography from me directly through video calls. This way, you'll get the individual attention that you need to tackle your specific challenges. Please have a look at my website for more information. Getting close enough to photograph an elephant is like trying to hug a bouncer at a nightclub. You'll probably get that look that says, "What are you doing, human?" Now you have a better understanding of wildlife photography that will help you to click better pictures. Keep building on your knowledge by watching this next video where I show you how I clicked pictures of this elephant calf.